Question is, if NaCl is doped with 10 power minus 3 mole percent of SrCl2, what is the concentration of cation vacancies? NaCl is doped with 10 power minus 3 mole percent of SrCl2. The concentration is percentage, a, so that take a total of 100 mole of solution. Moles of NaCl is equal to 100 minus moles of SrCl2. Moles of SrCl2 is very less, so we can neglect them. So moles of NaCl is equal to 100. 1 mole of NaCl is dipped with 10 power minus 5 mole of SrCl2. So cationic vacancies per mole of NaCl is equal to 10 power minus 5 mole. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. So the cationic vacancies per mole of NaCl is 10 power minus 5 into 10 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So we get the answer as 6.02 into 10 power 18. Hence the concentration of cation vacancies is 6.02 into